Sa nakaraang Parcel Diary, nag-unbox at tinas natin yung aking quadrupod. Kaya naman, para sa part 2, bubuksan naman natin itong wireless lapel mic na for mobile phone. Ito yung microphone. At saka itong microphone, I think nabili ko siya ng 500 to 700 pesos. Ito yung X1 wireless lavalier microphone. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng brand kasi Chinese. So, marami ding option neto pero yung pinili ko is of course yung for iOS. One receiver lang. Meron din dalawang receiver. Okay daw to for live show, for interview, and for vlog short video or short contents like this. So, ito yung isasaksak natin sa iPhone. And then, ito yung ilalagay natin sa damit natin. O pwede rin ganyan. Pero sa damit talaga siya. Plug in na natin. Hello? Hi? Wait, let me check. It's actually working just fine. Let me attach it on my clothes like that. Kinikilig ako, wait lang. Oh. So lightweight nilang pala. I expected this to be somewhat mabigat, pero hindi. How do I sound? I'm going there a little bit farther from you guys so we can see how I sound kahit malayo sa camera. And I hope it actually sounds good because I spent almost 700 peso for this. Oh my gosh. Hello? Kita niyo pa ba ako sa camera? I'm here. Okay. Natatakot na actually ako. As I told you a while ago, andito lang ako malapit sa kalsada. Kalsada na yan. Kaya rinig niyo yung mga kotse kanina. Pero now na nilagay na natin yung microphone, how do I sound? Let's see what inside the box. So we have here another manual, of course. Hindi yan mawawala. And of course, yung kanyang charger. It's like yung inclusions ng ating tripod. So that's it.